I'm here to tell y'all some real shit today. All right, think of me as your spiritual guide through the metabolic process. F big food, fitness influencers, F everybody else who ain't rocking with me. All right, so everyone tells you the same lie, okay? Fitness influencers, everybody like that, F them. All right, just wait till you hit 30, wait till you hit 40, your metabolism is gonna slow down. And you know, the weight's just gonna keep getting big, you're gonna get big, the weight's gonna stick to you, all right? Well, that's BS, man. I'm here to tell you that's 100% false. Crap, all right? Your metabolism didn't just magically break down because of a date on the calendar. That's not how the body works. So what actually happened is decades of giving your body the wrong fuel, the wrong food that isn't optimized for our specific species related systems, okay? So your body just gets completely out of whack. All right, cardio isn't the secret to weight loss, and that a lot of people think, you know, and neither is relying on expensive injections like Ozempic. All right, that's trash. If you want to reverse metabolic dysfunction, get to the root of it, get your body back firing on all cylinders and burn fat naturally, I'm gonna give you 5 things you can do today to fix your metabolism, all right, and stay good. Number 1, step 1, you're gonna want to stop jamming those carbohydrates down y'all fat necks, man. Look, I get it, carbs, freaking delicious. I love them myself. But every time you eat a bowl of pasta or a stack of pancakes or a freaking Oreo, you convert it into straight glucose. And your pancreas get this panic situation where they hit the big red button and next thing you know, your system's being flooded with insulin. All right, I want you to think of insulin like a crazy ass bouncer at a nightclub. I mean, he crazy as hell, all right? He ain't gonna, he as long as he at the front door, ain't nobody leaving the club, all right? And when I mean nobody, and by that I mean your fat stores. Your fat stores can't leave because there's a big ass, fat ass bouncer there who got you completely locked up inside. So your fat cells are completely locked up inside, unable to be burned for insulin because your bodyguard is standing at the insulin door saying, hey, nope, that's it. Nobody getting in, we're storing everything we got today. So when you eat carbs all day, you're keeping that bouncer there and he's doing freaking double time. So you're gonna have to let him go, fire him, say get the hell out of here. Because your metabolism, it gets bogged down and your cells start, ignoring signals and you end up tired and hungry and wondering why the treadmill or the Stairmaster and all that other junk ain't working. So if you want your body to actually start burning fat, you've got to send that bouncer home, fire his ass, cut the constant carbohydrates, stop overloading with that junk. You want to let your insulin drop back down and finally unlock the doors so everybody can get out that mug. So that's step 1, all right? Step 2 is one of the most important ones. I want you to switch to an animal-based carnivore diet. If you can't do carnivore, do a ketogenic diet, okay? Once you kick the carbs out the door, I know it's hard. You got to replace them with something that is specifically designed for humans to eat. Nutrient-dense meat, eggs, healthy animal fats, okay? I want you to think about it like if you had a freaking Ferrari, like a fast sports car, you're not gonna put a can of soda in the car and expect it to break land speeds, are you? No. So why do we as humans keep putting cans of soda into our bodies instead of feeding it premium fuel that our bodies were designed to eat? So when you feed your body bioavailable protein and animal fats, your body doesn't just survive, okay, it thrives. So I want you to give it those fatty cuts of meat and it'll keep your blood sugar completely stable to eliminate the constant cravings. Because I know some of y'all out there, a lot of y'all, even me, sometimes be raiding that fridge at 11 p.m. looking for our next snack, all right? So give it something good to eat. You'll have sustained energy. You won't have that dreaded food coma that, you get around that noon time. Protein also has the highest thermic effect of any macronutrient, meaning your body actually burns a ton of calories just digesting a big ass, juicy ass steak. All right, you're literally firing up your metabolic engine while you eat a big old juicy steak. It's the best. So step 3, I want you to start doing some form of strength training. So now if you want to supercharge this, which I assume a lot of you guys do, you want to make your metabolism run like a furnace, well, you need to start lifting heavy shit. Forget endless pounding away on a treadmill or spending hours on the elliptical trying to burn calories, which calories don't really exist, but I'll get into that later. Cardio isn't the secret to long-term weight loss that these fitness influencers have been preaching forever, and they might not even know, all right? Muscle is your body's ultimate metabolic engine. The more lean tissue you have, the more energy your body burns every single second of the day. So even while you're sitting on the couch watching this, absolutely doing nothing, when you hit the weights, just how you hit that like and subscribe button right there, you push your muscles close to failure, all right? And that sends a direct signal to your body. Hey, hurry up guys, we need to adapt and grow and get stronger. That process demands massive energy, and massive energy drives up your insulin sensitivity and forces your body to keep burning fuel for hours and hours after you even leave the gym. So you don't need to live in the gym for 7 days a week either. I only do 2 max in the week, but you just need to pick up heavy shit, you know, focus on compound movements. That's what I do, and give it everything you got and let your metabolism do the heavy lifting after that. Okay, step 4, cut out the industrial seed oils. That means canola oil, soybean oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, all these damn oils that these companies keep putting out. It sounds like, you know, you should use them in lubricate an engine or something. Just stop putting them in your bodies. All right, these highly refined polyunsaturated fats are chemically extracted, bleached, and deodorized before they even touch your grocery store shelf where you buy them and then you consume them. And then when you eat them, they get incorporated right into your cell membranes. And your cell membranes start acting up, causing widespread inflammation and completely jamming up your mitochondria. And for those of you who don't know, mitochondria is the power plant of the cell. So if your cellular power plants are all damaged and inflamed, your metabolism cannot function correctly. So you're trying to build a fire you're trying to build a fire using wet wood. Now, how does that sound? Wet wood. Look, throw out the industrial machine oils and switch back to a staple species-appropriate fat diet that humans have been eating for thousands of years, millions of years. You wanna have that butter, you wanna have that tallow, eat that ghee, eat them real animal fats, clean up your cellular engine, all right? And your metabolism is gonna thank you, I promise. It's gonna call you tomorrow and say, hey dog, we need to do this every day. Step 5, time to thrive. Fix your sleep and sync with the sun. You can eat all the steak in the world. Yeah, I'm a rapper too. Now, you can eat all the steak in the world, man, and lift as heavy as you want. But, you know, if your sleep ain't right, you ain't gonna be right. So stop staring at your screen until 2 a.m. You know, your metabolism is just gonna keep struggling. So when you're chronically sleep deprived, your stress hormone, cortisol, it spikes through the roof. All right, high cortisol pumps excess glucose in your bloodstream and signals your body to hang on to any fat that you have for dear life. So you could be eating the most amazing and healthy and stuff like that, but if you have high cortisol, you're still gonna be looking kind of crazy. It drives up like wild cravings and things like that. But so next you wanna get out there, you know, get into the sun first thing in the morning. It'll set your circadian rhythm. Then you wanna dim the lights at night and aim for a good quality, uninterrupted sleep. That's when your body repairs muscle. That's when it balances hormones. And that's also when it resets your metabolic baseline. So I want you guys to do me a favor. Stop believing in the myth that aging means that you're gonna get fat and you're gonna get slow. All right, just cut the carbs, fuel your body with real animal protein, real fats, you know, lift heavy shit, ditch the toxic seed oils and get your sleep right, man. All right, your metabolism ain't broken. That's what they want you to think. So the doctors and everybody can give you all these damn pills and treat you like a guinea pig. All right, you just need to reset your fuel and, I don't know, the right signals, I guess. So if this video helped y'all out, go ahead, man, hit the like, hit the subscribe, all right? Because I'm gonna be posting stuff like this all the time, trying to get everything right, trying to get everybody right. You know, it's a lot of false information being put out there today, and I'm just trying to help people. That's all I'm trying to do. It's really trying to get people back on track. These humans have lost their way, and I'm here to help. So if you like what I say, go ahead. Again, I already said, you know, drop a like, hit a subscribe, whatever. Comment, go ahead, ask me, you know, what else you guys want to see in a video, and I'll happily throw something out there. You know, help me help y'all, all right? Peace and love, friendly carnivore, Wakanda forever. I'm out, peace.